Basically, part C, question 6 in this November exam 1 math method created a lot of trouble, I suppose, for many students. But let's have a look at the translation. In fact, this half pi is the A value, the smallest positive value of A, and this number 2 here is the upward translation, so that the graph can be mapped to the g of x. Well, I've tried two choices. One choice for the original domain to be half pi to 5 pi over 2. Well, you can see even though the shape and the function rule is the same, the domain is not quite. But what if we change the domain so that it has a span of minus 2 pi? Let's say minus half pi and 3 pi over 2. Once I change the input with the domain minus half pi to 3 pi over 2, well, you can see the black curve maps exactly the same position, same endpoint as the blue curve. They coincide with each other. And that's the meaning of mapped onto the graph of y equals g of x. And that's why the domain of hx must be minus half pi to 3 pi over 2. And that's it.